Hi, my name is Anne-Marie. I am from Ireland. I have come here to get a full smile, change my appearance completely, which I am delighted with, and Dr. Caba has done a really good job. My procedure here at Dental Smile Art has been excellent. Dr. Caba has been fantastic. My experience from day one with the procedure was thorough. He done an excellent job on grinding my teeth on the first day to the second day, where I had all my fillings replaced, and then my final fitting, all done within 4 days. So I was very, very pleased, very professional. And I would recommend Dental Smile Art to all of my friends and family.